In the Advanced section, tap on CAD presets to begin exporting the desired file. Select the type of mockup you want to export. Select the arch you want to export, and wait until Smilefy generates the file. Time frame can vary from 30 seconds to 4 minutes depending on your device. If you select 3D printer, it will be sent straight to your 3D printer. Please watch the video, How to Connect My Smilefy app with my 3D printer. If you select Export, choose to export your files as zip file or in a folder. Rename the folder if needed. Select where to save and hit Save. Tap Next to save the case. After saving it, exit Smilefy. And if you saved on your device, open the Apple Folder app. Finding your 3D mockup file. Search for your patient's folder you just exported. Select your desired file. Send files to your lab, team, or specialists via email or any other method you desire.